how to use Adobe Premiere Pro free for a lifetime. So if you want to use Adobe Premiere Pro for free for lifetime, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply search for Adobe. Once you search here, you will have www.adobe.com. Click on that option and it will take you to the website, right? So once you're on the website, you just need to simply go with the products option, which will be on the upper right, or you can simply go with the search again and then go with www.adobe.com/products. And once you search for adobe.com/products, then you will get this kind of interface where you will have all of the products, right? So you can simply go with the Creative Cloud, your Acrobat Pro, Photoshop, Premiere Pro, and everything. Once you're here with the products, now you just need to simply go with the sign in option, which is on the upper right. And once you go with sign in, now you just need to simply go with create. So go with create an account and you need to create a new account. So go with the new email address and new password and continue to create your account. And after that, it will take you to this kind of page where you just need to simply enter your first and last name and then enter your date of birth. And you need to go with the country and region, and you can also change the country and region. And then click on this box if you want to get contacted with through email, and then go with create account. Once you create it, you just need to simply go with free trial, go with continue. After signing in, it will take you to this kind of page where this is your home page of your Adobe, right? And here you will have all of the free apps for you. So, and here you just need to simply go with view all apps. And here you will have all of the apps, right? So here you will have the Premiere Pro, and from here you can simply go and install it. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.